Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing Philosophy's Hope in a Jar Peeling Mousse. And according to the website, this is a 1-minute instant glow facial. It's supposed to help exfoliate your skin, remove all the dead and dull skin from your face. It also claims to help the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So we'll see how that goes. This is normally $32 on Philosophy's website. I'm going to be using a small trial size sample for today. I do have another video from another peeling mousse or enzyme treatment, however you want to call it, from Skin Food, so be sure to check my channel out for that one. I personally have used both of them already, and I like the Skin Foods treatment a little bit more. I feel like the Skin Foods pineapple peeling enzyme or pineapple enzyme gel does a little bit more work. I don't really actually know how much of what I'm removing off my skin is skin versus just product. I know a lot of you guys will say that it's mainly product that is coming off, but I do feel like my skin is a lot softer after I use the Skin Food peeling gel. Be sure to watch my video for that one and get all the details for that product there. Today I'm going to be reviewing Philosophy's Hope in a Jar Instant Peeling Mousse. I have used this in the past. I feel like the Skin Foods peeling enzyme gel works a little bit better, so we'll see. This is a trial size that I got. There is quite a bit in here. It comes out in a little gel, so it's a little cream jelly thing. It is fragranced, and I'm gonna start with that bit that I showed you there, so just a tiny bit, and we'll see. So I don't have anything on my face right now, and I'm gonna put a bit more on. So I'm gonna do another small bit. I only washed my face today. I don't have anything on, no lotion or anything like that. So and so it does dry up pretty quickly. I do feel like you need quite a bit of product to apply to your face. So I'm just gonna keep applying more. And I'm not really getting anything up from my forehead. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. So everything's pretty much dry. I'm gonna apply some more. Online it says that it's a 1-minute facial, that you're supposed to leave the product on your skin for 1 minute. I mean, it's already dry and it's just been a couple of seconds. So you can see some little bits there, but not a whole lot. Not a whole lot of product or skin, whatever, however you want to call it, whatever you think it is. So the treatment is supposed to take off that first layer of dead skin, and I really don't feel like this product really debrides or exfoliates a lot of that dead skin off. I feel like it's an okay product. So I'm gonna wash the product off my face now. It's been about a minute, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys know how it goes. So I am back and my skin is washed now, and it is really soft. It does feel like it's been cleansed, and it does feel good. I feel like it can use a moisturizer, but I wouldn't pay full price for this product. Would I pay half price? Absolutely. But I wouldn't pay more than $20 for it, especially knowing that the Skin Food product is out there, and I do like that one better. So don't forget to check that video out for comparison. And if you have tried this product, let me know what you think. And leave a comment down below if you want to be entered into a chance of winning a beauty item from a past box or an item from my website, allyouneed.com. All you have to do is leave a comment, tell me what you liked about this video, or give me an item to review in the future. Tell me something that you want to see. All the info for entering and the rules and everything, all that good stuff, is going to be found in the description box below. Thanks for watching and good luck.